Hey Darren, this is Angelica, and I'm reaching out to you to go over three things that you can do today to impact your business immediately. We realize a lot of businesses are, struggling, and we want to help make a difference and get you guys to, the best um, leads and ways of gaining customers that we can. So it's just three things, real quick, few minutes, and at the end of this video, if you could just reply back with a line or two of feedback, we want to make sure we're giving you guys some value here. So this is what we found as your website, Legacy Plumbing and Repair. I think it's from the Google My Business. The thing about Google is they want you to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized. They want you to show like you're a subject matter expert. So content is king. You want to have tons of words, definitely explaining who you are, what you do. And within those words, you want to integrate the keywords that people are actually searching for your services. The other thing is a call to action. You want to have your phone number to call immediately, fill out the quote, which is great. You got that. And just really show what you're talking about. You've got information, even reviews. That's really what they're looking for, and it gives you part of the authority. The other thing is the citations. So let's just say we search for that in your services in your area. This is what we call the map pack that's coming up. So citations are a big part of this. A citation is your business name, phone number, and address. That is a citation when it's registered in directories like Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, even BetterBusinessBureau.org. And we help build that up more for you guys as well. You got already some here. Let's see, you have 8. So you want to have at least 200 with the citations, and that's really where 30% of your business is going to come from, because people are going to be searching for your name and address. The other thing is backlinks. So when somebody selects a link from another site that comes back to your site, let's say, for example, Yelp, that is a link, a backlink. And they're not all created equal. Those also have to be built out along with the citations and, of course, your content. So we can definitely help you with the best plan of action to get you up and going and start bringing in some of this traffic that's coming here and more money in your pocket. So if that's something you're looking to do and expand and gain more customers, we'd love to help you out. You can contact us back here at 806-790-8753. And don't forget to reply back to the email. We will give you a free Google review once we hear back from you. Appreciate it, and thank you.